fly in an infinite sky, like wings beat against the blue. They must go where the cold winds blow. They'll be coming back to you.
Candy, it's been such a joy, our working together for the last, it's rising 10 years, I think, at this point. And in that time, obviously, we've produced 2 songbooks, as well as your Irish songbook, which has also got a couple of our songs in. And I just wanted to take this opportunity, really, to say a big thank you to you for these fantastic SATB 3 or 4 part arrangements that you've done, which I feel have really added things to the songs.
Wow, Lindsey, thank you. I'm very touched by that. And I want to also say what I love about the songs. It's been a great partnership for me too. It carries on, and isn't that delightful? Including with choirs that sing the songs that we both teach. One of the things I just love about the songs is that there's such a diversity of subject. They often have a political content. Something that runs right through is a sensitivity to humanity in every line. You have great compassion for people. But there's also poetry, and I just love the poetry. I actually wanted to read out 4 lines from Hold On, which is one of my favorites. When the lights burn low and the days go slow and you walk on stony ground, you're looking for that something more, like the silence seeks the sound.
When lights burn low and the days go slow and you walk on stony ground, you're looking for that something more, like the silence seeks the sound. When you're lost at sea, don't know how to.
I love Lindsey's songs. I think they're beautiful creations, and the lyrics, I particularly love the lyrics. I think they're so meaningful and deep. In particularly, Hold On is one of my particular favorites. So also the arranger, I think the arrangements that Kenji does behind them, it's brilliant as well, because you're getting the pace and the rhythm.
They're not songs for beginner choirs. Some of them are a little bit complex. They're all for community choirs. They can all be learned by ear because they've got audio parts with them that we've done. They take a little bit of learning, some of them, but my gosh, they stay in the choir's hearts.
It's a great pleasure for me to sing the songs of Lindsey and Candy. I especially like the song Very Close to Love. It's such a complex poetry, very intense poetry, and I especially like the arrangement of Candy of this song. So thank you.
So yeah, I love Lindsey's songs because they do really move me a lot of the time. She hits on something that I haven't thought about, or a different angle on something. And Candy's arrangements are always lovely, and it's just lovely to sing without any instrumentation, just voices.
I think that it's very important whenever you write anything, whether that's songs or novels or stories or whatever. I think it's very important to write something that genuinely comes from the heart of your personal beliefs. I don't think there's much point in doing anything else. And I think that's one of the great luxuries about creation, is that you can just do what the heck you like, really. I feel very much about your arrangements that they are adding another creative level to the songs. I think people don't always quite understand how vital an arrangement is to a song if you're going to do it with choirs. So your ability to create every single part in all of your arrangements has got some interesting sound lines in it, some interesting music lines in it. And that's really good for singers, I think. But also what you do is you get the kind of both the music and the kind of sentiment spirit of the song, I think, and you're able to convert that into an arrangement. And that's a real skill, and it's a very unusual skill, I think.
In the beginning, I didn't like Lindsey's songs so much. I thought they're so complicated and too hard to sing. And when we sang it again and again, I started to love them, and I started to think they're so special, they're so interesting, and there are such a variety of songs. It's incredible. How is the suffragette song called again?
When the Day Came.
This is such a special song. I love this most. And
long may it continue, our musical partnership.
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah. Good thing life expectancy is now about 130, isn't it?
And we rise like a full moon.